Good. Agus fáilte. I'm currently on a few days holidays in Boston, Massachusetts, and I'm here in the Boston Public Gardens, which is just beside Boston Common. The Irish for Boston is Bostún. Bostún. Fáilte go Bostún. And the Irish for public garden or a public park is Park Fubli. Park Fubli. This is very convenient, convenient, because it's right in the city centre. Ilar na Carrock. Díreach Ilar na Carrock. Directly in the city centre. These public gardens are home to lots of interesting animals. So let's go take a look at those now. Araigling, off we go. Araigling. The Irish for a squirrel is ura, and ura gloss is a grey squirrel. Ura gloss. You might think gloss means green, but in terms of nature it means grey. Leah would be grey in an artistic sense, but gloss when it comes to talking about nature. So ura gloss is a grey squirrel in Irish. Tá sé ag cuardach dearcán. He is looking for acorns. Tá sé ag cuardach dearcán. Instead of ag cuardach, you could use the words ag shellig, which is foraging or hunting, or you could use the words ag tóiríocht, which I used in my Central Park video. Ag tóiríocht is foraging as well, or looking for. Tá sé ag cuardach dearcán. He is searching for acorns. Tá ocras orthu de réir cosúlacht. That means they are hungry, apparently, or to all appearances. Tá ocras orthu de réir cosúlacht. The Irish for a duck is lacha. Lacha. And ein lachan is a duckling. Ein lachan. Bhí na lachan ag snáv. The ducks were swimming. Bhí na lachan ag snáv. Detil siad go híseal thar an loch. They flew low over the lake. Detil siad go híseal thar an loch. A swan is alla. Alla is a swan. Culúr is a pigeon. Culúr. And gaina is geese. Gaina. So 5 words I would use to describe Boston would be the following. Bríomhar, which is bustling or busy. Bríomhar. Cordúil, which is friendly. Cordúil. Simúl is interesting. Simúl. Te is hot. Te, because it is quite hot here in the summer months anyway. Te is hot. And Starúil, which is historic. Starúil, which it certainly is a very historic city in terms of the independence of America and things like that. Starúil, historic. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll be back very soon with another video. So thanks for watching, and bye for now. Slán go fóill.